if you're looking for ways to monetize your TikTok account, then this video is definitely for you. Don't just make videos and trend, also make videos, also make money from making these videos. Okay, so now in this video I'm going to teach you how to make money using TikTok. All right, so you don't have to just make videos and burn your data and just be on your phone all day. You're absolutely going to make, if you follow this video, you will learn how to monetize your TikTok account and make money from it. So you don't just have to sit there and keep scrolling through your phone or joining challenges. Just put it in the back of your mind that after watching this video, as soon as you hop on any challenges, start generating the views, you're definitely going to make money from TikTok. All right, so just wasting, basically, instead of just making videos and posting it just for the fun, you can also make money from it. Okay, so basically you'll be enjoying what you're doing and you'll be making money from it. So without wasting much time, let's get down to business. But before then, if you're new to this channel, I really make easy to follow tutorials. So I'll advise you to hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification, and also like this video. And basically I'll advise you to share this video with your loved ones or family so that they also can learn how to make money from TikTok. Okay, so let us get down to business. First, this is my TikTok account here. I haven't really worked on it. I haven't really worked on my TikTok account. I'm still on like I'm still on like 66 followers. Okay, basically I'll be putting more energy to it soon enough. I'll put in more energy to it. Okay, so first, this is how you can make money on using your videos on TikTok. This is basically how you can monetize your video. So first thing you need to do is you need to head on to this website, sounds.me. Okay, so just type sounds.me in Google and it will bring you to this very page. All right, so this is a site by which you will be able to use to make money on TikTok. So I'm going to walk you step by step on how to get this. All right, okay, though it has some requirement though, so you have to put that in mind. All right, so first you have to select your country. Let's just select our country. Come down. So I'm in Nigeria, so I'll be selecting Nigeria. All right, so if you're in another country, you can just select that. Okay. All right. So next thing, let's sign up as a creator. Okay, so basically I'm just going to authorize. My account is already signed in here, so I'll just come here and click on authorize. All right, so let it load. Though there are some requirements that you need to know, that you need to have before you'll be able to earn. All right, so so here are the steps which we'll be following. This is sound.me website. After signing, so first you're going to select and apply to inbox sponsorship campaign. Secondly, step 2, you're going to record videos with sponsorship sounds based on instruction. Basically, they are going to give you sounds that you're going to use to record your videos. So the more views you gather on these videos that you record with that sounds, the more money that you're going to make from it. So basically you'll definitely be monetizing your videos, just like YouTube. Yes, just like YouTube. All right, so the more views you make, the more money in your pocket. All right, so so let's just get down to start recording videos. All right, so so now as you can see here, here's the sound that's been given to you. All right, so you can basically just make use of this sound. If you don't like it, you can just decline, but if you like it, you can just click here on accept and you use the sound. Then now here's the amount of money that you're going to earn if you use this sound. All right, like it's instructed here, the creator can make any type of video they think will get views. All right, don't participate unless you are approved. Okay, so basically you need to get approved here. Like I mentioned earlier, there are some terms that you need to adhere to, and there are some things you need to reach. There are some basically you need to reach some certain height on your TikTok account before you'll be able to make use of this. Okay, so we can just play the sound and see if it's okay by us. Okay, just play the sound there. All right, so if you don't like it, you can just click on decline. If you like it, you can just click on accept. All right, so now the next one we have here, it's called lightning. That's the title of the sound. That's what we make it. If you want to make use of, you see the amount here is like 1.4 $1.4. Okay, and this also has a deadline. Okay, you should put that in mind, right? This also has a deadline for June 29th. So basically, if you click on accept now, you're going to link your account has already been linked to this sound of me. So all you need to do is just to go to, when you click on that, all you need to do is just to make use of the sound, and your money will reflect here on the dashboard. All right, so but basically now I'm making use of any sound, but I just needed to walk you guys step by step through this step on how to do this. Okay, so all you need to know is here. If you have any other question that you feel that I need to throw more light to, please don't hesitate to leave the question in the comment section below, and I'll try my possible best to answer you guys to the best of my knowledge. Okay, so good luck making videos, good luck joining all challenges, and of course good luck making money from TikTok. Thank you for watching my video. If you're new here, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the post notification, and also like my video. All right, see you guys in the next video. Thanks.